Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss the chapter Matrix of class 10 of ICC syllabus. So let us start it without delaying. Matrix. What is a matrix? Matrix is nothing but the rectangular arrangement of numbers. Always they are written within the square brackets. This is a square bracket. Suppose I write 2, 3, 7, minus 1, 0, 1 by 2. So these all are, this is a matrix now. And these all are the members or elements of this matrix. You might have seen here, I written 2, 3, 7, negative number minus 0 and 1 by 2. That means fractions, zeros, minus negative numbers, positive numbers. Even we can write also, irrational numbers also. So that means all the real numbers are the elements of this matrix. I hope I am clear. And in this matrix you are seeing some left to right, you are writing these elements, and also top to bottom. And this left to right is called as a rows and denoted by R. R1, first row, this is R1 I have written. Similarly, the second row, it is like this. This is row 2, R2. Am I clear? That first top to left to right, that is called as a rows. And similarly, the top to bottom, it is called as columns. And this is C1. Similarly, this is the first column, second column C2, third column C3. This way, so once again I am repeating, left right they are called as rows, generally denoted by R1, R2, so on. And from left top to bottom it is called as columns, C1, C2, C3, so on. So here question arises, how many rows and how many columns may exist? I'll clear, my students. Any number of rows or columns you can arrange. Are you clear? So there is no limit, but there is special types of matrices are there where the limit is there, but you can write any number of rows and columns. This is all about matrices. Now let us discuss order of a matrix. What is an order of a matrix? Order of matrix. What is an order? Let us come to the top example. How many rows are there here? 2, 1 and 2. So 2 multiplication. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. This is called its order. 2 and 3 is called as its order. This is called as order of the matrix. It can't be written 6. 2 and 3, 6. You cannot write. Order of the matrix 6 you cannot say. Because 6 has so many factors. Like that is 6 into 1. 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into t. This all cannot confirm you how many rows and how many columns. That's why if you write 2 into 3, this clearly indicates that there are 2 rows, always rows into columns, not reverse. This is the order. This is the way of writing. As you are writing coordinates in the plane, like x and y, first coordinate, suppose 2, 3, coordinate is 2, 3. That means the first one is x coordinate, second one is a y coordinate. Similarly, if you will write 2 and order of the matrix 2 into 3, then everybody can understand that first 2 rows and 3 columns. So this way we can write the order. Suppose, let me another example I'll give you. Suppose I'll write 2 minus 2, 0, 5. What is its order then? How many rows? 1, 2, 2 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. 1, 2. So its order of the matrix is 2 into 3. Similarly, you can write another matrix. I am writing bigger one. 1, 2, 1 by 2, root 5, 7, 1, 0, minus 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 9, 15. So this is the matrix. So how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Next, columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. Sorry, 3 rows and 5 columns. Order is 3 into 5. Hope I am clear to everybody. Okay. Now we will go to notation of sets. Notation means how to name a set. Sorry, mistake, I am saying set. How to notation a matrix. How to name a matrix. So, matrix can be named by any of the English alphabets in capital letters. So, suppose a matrix has to name. Suppose I have a matrix. Let us discuss. This is a matrix I have. 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 5. This is a matrix, ladies and gentlemen. So I can name it as A or B, like that, anything. So only English capital letters are allowed. Small letters are not allowed. Clear? So here question arises. There are only 26 capital letters are there in English alphabet. So how will write? Suppose is there any 26 matrices? No. There are infinite number of matrices are there. Then how we can write the matrices? Suppose A1, you can write A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. Similarly B1, B2, B3. Any like this you can give infinite number of namings to the different matrices. Hope I am clear to everybody. Now let us discuss how to the general form of a matrix. General form. Generally a matrix, how it will be there. So, a matrix, suppose this is a big matrix. General form I am going to explain you. Its other forms also there, shortcut forms. But how to write, how the elements are generally, it will be there in the matrix. The first element, always the elements are represented by the small English, small letters. Suppose A. 1, 1. This is the element of a first row and first column. That's why 1, 1. First row, second column. 1, 2. A 1, 3. That means first row, third column. 1, 4. A 1, 4. That is first row, fourth column. Similarly, you can continue. Suppose there are n number of elements are there. A 1 n. That means first row and nth column. Similarly, down again you will come second element. Either you take another symbol B1, B2, otherwise you take A2, 1. B, if you take B also, B2, 1. But not required to take different symbol. Okay. So A2, 1, A2, 2. That means 2, second row, second row, second column. A2, 3, second row, third column. A second row, fourth column. Continue like that. Last one, A2, N. Similarly, if you go third one, A3, 1, A3, 2, A3, 3, A3, 4, continue like that, A3, N. Means third row, nth column. Now, similarly, if you go down, A4, 4, 1, similarly 4, 1, I will continue, that 5, 1, if you 5, 1, 6, 1, like that. Lastly, A, M1, M1 means mth row, first column. A, M2, mth row, second column. A, M3. Similarly, go on. A, last element will be mth row it is, last element is nth column. What is that Mn? Any natural number. Mn is any natural number. So what is its order? Then you can say how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. M rows are there. So this is M rows into columns. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to n columns. Mn is its order. And it is the general form of writing a matrix, and it can name like anything X or A, you can name it. I hope I am clear up to now. I hope today I discussed what is a matrix, how to represent the matrix, how to write the matrix and the elements, and how to name a matrix. Also discussed what is the order of a matrix. Next session, again you are going to discuss different types of matrices.